A black person is called umwirabura, abirabura. A white person is called umuzungu, abazungu. And a person from the Middle East, who usually are Arabs, is called umwarabu, abarabu. And a light-skinned dark person is called inzobe, and a dark-skinned black person is called igikara. Well, this is not a very nice word, but not a lot of people take offense to it, especially if it is coming from another black person. However, if you're a very light-skinned person or umuzungu, don't use this word. It's not very nice. Hello wonderful peoples, welcome back to this Kinyarwanda Lessons for Beginners, lesson number 14. Today a quick lesson about Amabara, colors, and a color is called Ibara. Alright, reka dutangire. The first color is umukara, black, inkweto ry'umukara, black shoes. The next color is umweru, white, imodoka ry'umweru, a white car. The next color is umutuku, red, puavro y'umutuku, red bell pepper. Ibara ry'ubururu, blue, the color blue. Ikaramu ry'ubururu, a blue pen. Iroza, ibara ry'iroza, pink. Ikanzu ry'iroza, a pink dress. Umuhondo, yellow, inzu ry'umuhondo, a yellow house. Ironji, ibara ry'ironji. Orange, the same as in English, the fruit is also the color, but people in Rwanda also like to use orange, ibara rya orange, the color of orange. Icyatsi, green. Literally this means a grass weed. Igitambaro cy'icyatsi, a green cloth. Mauve, ibara rya mauve. Purple, ingofero rya mauve, a purple hat. Ibihogo, ibara ry'ibihogo, the color brown. Brown in Kinyarwanda is usually used in reference to cows. So when it comes to cow, you use ibihogo bitose, which means a dark brown cow, or igaju, which means a light brown cow. But in more day-to-day life, people like to use ibara ry'igitaka. This is igitaka, and this is the color that people like to reference to in day-to-day life. For example, irangi ry'igitaka, brown paint, brown paint. Ikijuju, gray. Urukuta rufite ibara ry'ikijuju. The wall has the color gray. Alright, we're coming to the end of the video, but before you leave, I have 3 quiz questions I would like you to answer. Question number 1. Iyi shati yanjye ifite amabara abiri yego, amabara abiri y'umutuku n'ubururu. Well done. Alright, the next 2 questions are all on you. Write the answers in the comment section below. Gira amabara y'idarapo y'u Rwanda. Tell me the colors of the flag of Rwanda. And lastly, iki kintu mu cyongereza cyitwa rainbow. Mu Kinyarwanda ni? Write it down in the comment section below. By the way, Rwandans believe that colors have certain character meanings, just like horoscope. I have listed the meanings of all the colors in the description below, but you can also find them on my Facebook page. If anyone wants to help me translate this, you are more than welcome. But if you can read Kinyarwanda, have a quick read, it's quite funny. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Muramuke.